Hello, my name is Aliea Syahfiqah bin Saripuddin and my metric number is BS23110035. In this slide, I will present about pros and cons of hybridization in economically important aquaculture animals, which is tiger shrimp, Peneus monodon. First definition of hybridization in aquaculture refers to the breeding of different species of strain of aquatic animals to combine desirable traits. This process aims to improve various characteristics such as faster growth rates, better disease resistance, and the ability to adapt to different environmental conditions. By crossing different shrimp species or strain, aquaculture industry seek to produce more resilient and productive shrimp, which can be more profitable and sustainable in the long term. Next, importance of shrimp in aquaculture. Shrimp is one of the important species in global aquaculture, contributing significantly to seafood production. Is it a major source of protein for many countries and is highly sought after in international markets. The shrimp farming industry generates billions of dollars annually, supporting the livelihoods of millions of people worldwide. Its importance lies not only in its economic value but also in its role in meeting the growing global demand for seafood. And last focus species is tiger shrimp, Peneus monodon, also known as tiger shrimp, is one of the most widely farmed shrimp species globally. Is it favored for its large size, high market value, and excellent taste, making it a premium product in seafood markets. This species is particularly important in Southeast Asia and other tropical regions where it is farmed intensively. Due to its economic value and demand, Peneus monodon plays a key role in shrimp farming industry, with hybridization efforts focus on enhancing its growth, disease resistance, and environment adaptability. Next, for the target organism, Peneus monodon. For description, which is common name tiger shrimp, and the scientific name is Peneus monodon. Commonly known as tiger shrimp, is large species shrimp with distinct black stripe on its body, giving it a tiger-like appearance. Native to the Indo-Pacific and the region, this species is primarily found in coastal water across the Indo-Pacific, including areas like Southeast Asia, India, and Northern Australia. It thrives in tropical and subtropical environments and is commonly found in this region. Important high market value and global for the demand, is one of the most valuable shrimp species in the global seafood market due to its large size, delicious taste, and high quality meat. Is it sought after by consumers worldwide, contributing to its high market price. Known for large size and premium quality, Peneus monodon grows larger than many other shrimp species, making it especially attractive to aquaculture farmers. Its meat is considered premium, which further boosts its demand and economy. And next, for important hybridization focus is crossbreeding with other species like Peneus venameae to improve various traits like disease resistance, growth rate, and environmental tolerance. Tiger shrimp, which is Peneus monodon, is often crossbred with other species such as Peneus venameae, white leg shrimp. This hybridization aims to combine the strengths of both species, making the shrimp more resilient and productive in farming environments. Next, for the objective of hybridization. For the growth improvement, faster growth rates, hybrid shrimp are bred to grow faster than their purebred counterparts, allowing farmers to harvest them sooner, increase productivity and profitability. Next, better feed conversion efficient. Hybrids tend to utilize feed more efficiently, converting into body mass with less waste. This leads to reduced feed costs for farmer, making farming more sustainable and cost-effective. Next, disaster resistant. Increased resistance to disease. Hybrid shrimp often show enhanced resistance to common disease like white spot syndrome virus (WSSV), which can devastate shrimp farms. This improves survival rates and reduces the need for expensive treatment or antibiotic. Next, environmental tolerance. Adaptability to different conditions. Hybrid shrimp can be more tolerant to changing environment factors such as fluctuating salinity and temperature. This makes them suitable for a wider range of aquaculture systems, improving farm success in varying environments. Next, for the improved growth and yield. First, faster growth. Hybrid Peneus monodon grows at a faster rate compared to purebred species. This means they reach market size more quickly, allowing farmers to harvest more frequently and increase overall production. Second, higher harvest weight. Due to the enhanced growth potential of hybrid, they tend to reach larger size at harvest. This results in higher yield per unit of farming area, leading to greater profitability for shrimp farmers. Disease resistant. First, greater resilience to viral and bacterial disease, which is hybrid Peneus monodon X hybrids improve resistance to common diseases like white spot syndrome virus, WSSV, and bacterial infections. This enhanced resilience helps reduce the impact of disease outbreaks in shrimp farms. Second, lower mortality in intensive farming system. Due to the increased disease resistant hybrid shrimp have lower mortality rates even in high density intensive farming conditions. This contributes to higher survival rate and more stable production. Environmental tolerance, which is first adapt well to varying salinity and temperature, which is hybrid Peneus monodon shows improved adaptability to change in environment conditions such as fluctuation in water salinity and temperature. This allows them to thrive in a wider range of aquaculture systems, from coastal ponds to more controlled inland farms. Second, suitable for diverse aquaculture environments. Due to their tolerance to different water conditions, hybrid shrimp are more versatile and can be farmed in various geographical regions and climate conditions, expanding the potential areas for shrimp farming. Economic benefits. First, boost shrimp farmers' portability, which is hybrid shrimp grow faster, have better disease resistance, and yield higher harvest weight, leading to increased production and reduced costs. This allows farmers to maximize profit by reducing losses and improving efficiency in their farming operation. Second, enhance competitiveness in global market. The improved growth and quality of hybrid shrimp give farmers a competitive edge in the global seafood market. With higher yield and better disease management, farmers can meet the growing demand for shrimp, ensuring their place in international markets while offering premium product at competitive price. Next, ecological risks. First, hybrid escape into natural habitat, which is there is a risk that hybrid shrimp may escape from farming system into natural water bodies. Once in the wild, they could disrupt local ecosystem by outcompeting native species for resources. Next, risk of genetic contamination and competition with wild species, which is hybrid shrimp can interbreed with wild population, potentially introducing non-native genes into the gene pool. This could lead to genetic contamination, affecting the survival and reproduction of native shrimp species. Additionally, hybrids might compete with local species for food and habitat, threatening biodiversity. Genetic challenge. First, difficulty in maintaining consistent hybrid performance, which is over generation. It can be challenging to maintain the same high quality traits in hybrid shrimp, such as growth rate and disease resistance. The genetic variation may cause inconsistent performance, leading to unpredictable results in farming. Second, genetic instability and undesirable traits, which is hybrid shrimp may experience genetic instability, which can lead to emergence of undesirable traits such as poor growth for reduced disease resistance. This instability makes it difficult to sustain the benefit of hybridization over time, requiring ongoing management and monitoring. Ethical and regulatory issue. First, controversy over using non-native species in hybridization, which is the use of native species in hybridization, can raise ethical concerns, especially in regions where the introduction of foreign species is seen as threat to local biodiversity. Critics argue that introducing hybrids could harm ecosystem and disrupt native species. Second, concern about the long-term sustainability of hybrid practice. There's worries that hybrid shrimp farming may not be sustainable in the long term due to ecological risks, genetic instability, and potential for over-reliance on hybridization. Regulatory bodies are concerned about the impact on the environment and the future viability of such practice without careful management and monitoring. And the next slide I'm going to talk about discussion the balance between economic benefit and ecology risks. First, economic benefit versus ecological risks, which is while hybrid shrimp farming offers significant economic advantage such as increased growth rates, disease resistance, and higher yields. These benefits must be carefully weighed against potential ecological risks, including environmental disruption and genetic contamination. Second consideration is it essential to balance profitability with environment impact. Farmers and regulators must consider how hybrid shrimp farming affect local ecosystem and long-term sustainability. The focus should be on achieving economic goals without causing harm to environment. And the last, responsible management practice, which is to mitigate ecological concerns. Responsible management practice must be adopted, such as monitoring hybrid population, preventing escape into natural habitat, and ensuring the sustainable of farming methods. This approach will help maintain both economic growth and environmental protection. And next, for slide, case studies of hybrid farming shrimp. For the successes, increased yield and disease resistance Case studies have shown that hybrid shrimp farm can achieve significantly higher yields compared to traditional farming, with hybrid shrimp exhibition faster growth and stronger resistance to disease like white spot syndrome virus (WSSV). Economic growth for shrimp farmers. Many shrimp farmers using hybrid shrimp varieties have reported increased profitability due to improved feed conversion, faster growth rates, and reduced mortality, leading to better returns on investment. And for the challenge is ecological risks, which is they are concerned about the potential for hybrid shrimp to escape into natural habitats, leading to genetic contamination and competition with wild shrimp population. This could disrupt local ecosystem and threaten native species. Next, regulatory concern. In certain regions, the use of hybrid shrimp face regulatory security due to concern about the long-term environmental impact and sustainability of such farming practice. This has led to stricter regulation and challenge in implementing hybrid farming on a large scale. As for the conclusion, hybridization in shrimp farming offers significant benefits, including improved growth rates, enhanced disease resistance, and greater economic value through higher yields and profitability. These advantages make hybrid shrimp a valuable choice for global aquaculture. However, the process also presents the challenge such as ecological risks, including the potential for hybrids to escape into natural habitats and compete with wild population. Additionally, maintaining genetic stability and avoiding undesirable traits over generation can be difficult. Ethical concerns regarding the use of non-native species and the long-term sustainability of hybrid practice are also important factors that need careful consideration in the industry. And the last recommendation. First, develop sustainable hybridization practice. Focus on creating hybridization methods that are both economically beneficial and environmentally responsible. This includes practices that minimize ecological risks while maximize farm productivity. Second, use contained aquaculture system to prevent escape, which is implement aquaculture systems that are well contained, such as closed tank or ponds, to prevent hybrid shrimp from escaping into natural habitats. This helps protect local ecosystem and prevents genetic contamination. Next, conduct comprehensive environmental impact assessment, which is regularly evaluate the environmental impact of hybrid shrimp farming through detailed assessments. This will help identify potential risks and ensure farming practices are sustainable in the long term. Next, focus on research for long-term genetic stability in hybrids, which is invest in research to ensure that hybrid shrimp maintain desirable traits over multiply generation. By focusing on genetic stability, farmers can continue to benefit from hybrid without risking undesirable change in performance. Next, promote international regulation and best practice for hybrid aquaculture, which is encourage global cooperation to establish regulation and best practice for hybrid shrimp farming. This will help ensure that hybridization is conducted responsibly and sustainably across different countries, promoting consistently and protecting the environment.